Right, let's draw a sailboat in the ocean. So top portion, the boat is facing towards us, and I'm just putting the darker color for the bottom part. And for the sail, you can see from the top few outlines which is just coming to the downwards directions. Okay, so few part just defining the old model sailboat here. These are the the sails on the side. Okay, so as it's going to the upper directions, it's getting smaller. And few reflections you can see on the water. Okay, so sometimes if we like to add the shades in a softer one, then again we are going to use another color tones, and you can see little bit black color on the water too. So this looks